Hello and welcome to Seemenu. Seemenu is a simple yet powerful platform that helps coffee shops and restaurants create their own dynamic digital menus and generate QR codes for customers to access this menu instantly on their mobile devices. When we say dynamic menu, we mean a menu that will reflect directly any changes based on time, like happy hour changes or updates based on sold-out items, all to give a better modern customer experience. Unlike other menu processing applications, Seemenu provides a very short entry experience using AI to allow building the menu from a paper menu, a PDF, or an available website. This makes moving from a paper-based menu to a modern QR-based digital experience a 5-minute task without the burden of manual entry. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the full process: creating an account, signing in, creating a menu manually, using AI to import a menu, generating your QR code, previewing the final customer experience, and finally, how to pay for your plan. So let's begin with the sign-up process. First, click the Sign in/Sign Up button. From here, go to the Sign Up section and enter your business information. Start with the business name. If your business is part of a chain or has multiple branches, you can enable the branch option and enter the branch name. If you only have one location, you can simply leave that option disabled. Next, enter the contact person's full name, phone number, email address, business address, postal code, and password. Once everything is completed, click Create Account. After creating your account, you will receive a confirmation message asking you to verify your email before signing in. Go to your inbox and open the email sent from Seemenu. Click the verification link to confirm your email address. Once verified, you can sign into the platform. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard with multiple sections and menu options. The first step is creating your menu. You can begin by adding categories. Categories are the main sections of your menu, such as drinks, main dishes, desserts, or appetizers. For example, I will create a category called Drinks and another called Main Dishes. Once categories are added, you can begin adding menu items under each category. To add an item, click Add Item. Enter the item name, price, short description, and upload a picture if desired. For example, I will add a red wine item with a price and description. Once saved, the item appears under the drinks category. You can repeat the same process for any additional categories or menu items. At any time, you can edit items, delete items, edit categories, or reorder menu items by dragging and dropping them. Another important feature is specials. This allows you to create promotions such as happy hour pricing or special event discounts. For example, I can create a happy hour special with a 30% discount that applies during a specific time range. Once the special becomes active, customers viewing the menu will automatically see the discounted pricing. To preview how customers will see the menu, click View Public Menu. The public menu displays your restaurant name, categories, menu items, pricing, descriptions, and images in a mobile-friendly format. As you continue adding items, the menu automatically updates. You can also make any item temporarily unavailable. For example, if an item is sold out, simply hide it from the menu. Customers scanning the QR code will no longer see that item. These features allow you to maintain a clean, flexible, and professional digital menu experience. Now, let's look at importing a menu using AI. If you already have a printed menu, you can import it directly instead of entering everything manually. Go to the Import Menu option. You can import from an Excel file or use AI to extract information from a photo. Simply take a picture of your menu, upload it, and click Parse Menu. Seemenu will automatically detect categories, item names, descriptions, and prices. Once the information is extracted, you can import the items into your menu. This saves a significant amount of time, especially for large menus or multi-page menus. After importing, all items will appear inside your menu structure automatically. Next, let's look at branding and customization. Seemenu allows you to personalize the appearance of your digital menu. You can upload your business logo, choose color themes, and change the overall visual style. For example, selecting a dark theme instantly changes the appearance of the public menu while keeping all functionality active. The menu remains fully responsive and works smoothly on phones, tablets, and computers. Finally, let's generate the QR code. The QR code is what customers will scan to access your menu. You can download or print the QR code and place it on restaurant tables, counters, or promotional materials. Customers can scan the code to open your live digital menu instantly. You also receive a direct web link to your menu, allowing customers to access it without scanning. As you can see, Seemenu is designed to be simple, efficient, and powerful. At any time, you can preview your public menu, update items, create specials, or customize your branding. If you ever need assistance, you can open a support ticket directly from a platform, and our team will respond within 1 business day. Seemenu offers affordable monthly and yearly plans designed to fit restaurants and coffee shops of all sizes. If your account was created through one of our sales representatives, you can also select the representative during checkout. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for selecting Seemenu.